Takeoff flaps. Tango clear.
Forgetting I turned it on. Alright, here we go.
Flaps up, gear up.
I see it. When I do that climb, it does that.
Oh, really?
Gear down.
I don't know why.
Gear up.
That's weird.
See, it's in now.
The bones go on.
Yep. See how that gyro smooths it out?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
And it's not really bumping.
Yeah, essentially without saying. It's just
Oh yeah, that's the first time I've seen it flown that way, and that was really impressive.
I can see the difference between that compared to the limit already.
Yep.
That's the A3L.
This is the A3L. It's rock solid.
Look at it, yeah.
I mean, you can see a little bump here and there, but for the most part,
Time remaining
it's locked
1
in.
minute.
Yeah, you feel it more than I see it, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, it pretty much makes it look like playing without a gyro on a perfect day.
Right.
Totally.
And on a perfect day, it's just really nice.
On a perfect day, you barely have to turn it on though.
It doesn't really need to be on.
Yeah.
Seconds.
The Hawk will be similar now too.
Gear down. Time expired.
I'll trade you for my belt.
Landing flaps.
This is where I really notice.
Yeah, watch out though, there's still some weird
I see it, I feel it. But look at the gyro.
Oh
It doesn't care anymore. Before it would have been bouncing all over.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Flaps up.
That's the first time I've flown this here in 2 years.